Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we kind of have a little spooky theme going on here because we are going to be going over the new October PNG insert, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Plus, I have some clearance event information for y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are going to go over the new PNG insert for October 2021. I know in the last video I said September. I even made a slide on it, but you guys will just have to look over me. I get my days mixed up sometimes. And now I'm getting my months mixed up, alright? So y'all just bear with me. We are going into the month of October though, and we have $109 worth of savings inside this insert. So a couple of quick things. If you're new to couponing, if you're new to buying inserts, the PNG insert only comes out once a month. Usually it is the last Sunday of the month or the first Sunday of the month. You can find them in your Sunday newspapers, but also check your local papers because I received mine a little bit early in my local paper and it is cheaper. So I got mine last night on Wednesday, and it's a lot cheaper to buy them through the local papers versus picking up the larger city like Sentinel papers that come out on Sunday. Those are usually pretty pricey. Also, another alternative way that you can get inserts is if you have a Dollar Tree nearby, they sell Sunday inserts for $1 on Monday. So definitely, if you have a Dollar Tree, check them out, give them a call, ask them about their newspapers, when they get them, what time they get them, because a lot of times they sell out pretty fast because they're only $1. And also, some Dollar Trees do put out Sunday newspapers on Sunday. So definitely check the Dollar Tree. Also, if you have a Walgreens nearby and you have, and they carry the Sunday papers. I have a Walgreens, but they don't carry the Sunday papers. They only carry the local papers. You can go in there and pick up your newspapers from them and use your points to pay. So you're not paying anything out of pocket to get your coupon inserts, and you're kind of just rolling that coupon money that you've earned from Walgreens points, or what is it called now? Walgreens cash. Sorry. And you can use those to buy your newspapers and your coupons, and then you can go use those coupons at Walgreens. So it's a win-win. All right. Also, I'm going to list a couple of websites either in the description box or the pinned comment. I know that I've had a couple of questions on, do I order coupons? How do I order coupons? I have a coupon person that I go through on Instagram. If you're interested in that, you need to send me a message on Instagram and I'll send you her information. Other than that, I have a couple of websites, but the thing with ordering whole inserts on websites is typically you have to order 10 or more. And that's the same with like if you have a coupon fairy or whatever. Usually it's 10 or more. And if you're just starting out, you really don't need to do that. You don't need 10 inserts unless you are just going really, really hardcore. But if you're just starting out, I just recommend picking up, I would pick up, probably at least 2. At the very least, you need 2 newspapers to get a lot of these deals. Sometimes we get buy one, get one free deals, or buy 2, get the 3rd free. And you need 2 coupons to get the best, lowest out-of-pocket deals, okay? So, anyways, but I will list a couple of websites that you can get whole inserts or clipped coupons, either way you want to do it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Like I said, this is going to come out in Sunday's newspaper, in the big newspapers. So we have a lot of digital coupons, PNG digital coupons for Dollar General that will be expiring. I am thinking it was on the 5th. Hang on just a second. All right, I apologize. I think it's on the 2nd, October the 2nd. A lot of our digital coupons will expire. So another thing, we're just going to flip through here. I'm going to show you what we're going to get. No need to read all of these off. You guys can pause it and read it for yourself if you need to. We do have a new product here, Derma Geek. So it's buy one of the Dermageek facial moisturizers or serums and get one for free, and it is up to an $11 value. So, and it also doesn't expire until the 30th. So that's the other thing. If you're new, P&G inserts, about half of the coupons last us all month long. They don't expire for a whole month. The other half of them, we have 2 weeks to use them. So there's one, it does expire on October the 9th. So there you go. All right, and another thing is, I don't get the Tide or Gain coupons anymore in my inserts. So last month I didn't do a giveaway. I am going to do a giveaway this month. Last month I was just kind of like really bummed out about not getting Tide or Gain coupons anymore in my area. And I thought, well, what's even the point of doing a giveaway? You know, a lot of people don't want the inserts if they don't have Tide or Gain in them. And then I started thinking, you know what? There's a lot of people out there who don't get inserts at all in their area. I know one personally who has a really hard time getting inserts. So I'm still going to do the giveaway. And if you don't want to enter because there's no Tide coupons or whatever, that's fine too. But there's a lot of people out there who don't get inserts, or who may just need some free inserts, who may want some free inserts. So we're still going to do the giveaways, but it just won't have the Tide or Gain coupons in them. Now, I could order them, but the thing with whenever I order, I usually don't get them until Monday or Tuesday. So by the time I receive them and then mail them back out to y'all, you may not be getting them in a time, you know, to have enough time to be able to use them. So, like I said, a lot of these expire on the 9th. So, anyways, we're still going to do the giveaways. I'm still going to get my inserts, you know, a little bit early. They just won't have the Tide or the Gain coupons in them. And that's all right. Here's a really good coupon. We went off one for the Vicks Vapo Cool products. So if you want to pick up the cough drops at DG, they are $2. So after this coupon's applied, you'll pay just $1. Now, we should receive all of the same coupons on Sunday in a digital form on our DG accounts. All right, so this is very helpful to go through whether you plan on getting inserts or not, because you'll kind of have an idea of what to look for on your digital accounts for Sunday at Dollar General and a lot of other stores too. If you shop at Walgreens, a lot of the same coupon, same value will show up in your Walgreens accounts on Sunday. All right, we are moving right along here. 3 off 1 for the Pampers. We have 25 cents for Bounty and Charmin. 25 cents for Puffs and 25 cents for the Charmin flushable wipes. So here's the big dreaded page that nobody wants to see that tells you need to go and print off your coupons from the pnggoodeveryday.com website. Now the thing with that is that not all Dollar Generals accept printable coupons, and I know in my area they will, as long as they scan. They don't have to be in color. You can print in black and white. They work just the same. But at my Walmart, they do not accept printable coupons any longer. And I think because there's so much fraud that goes along with the printable coupons, they're just so easy to copy, and people don't understand that you only need to print off 2 per device. And they just copy the coupon and use it over and over. So I think there's a lot of fraud that goes along with that. But anyways, I think they're kind of cutting down. They're really cracking down on a lot of this couponing, insert coupons and printable coupons. But this is still good. It's still going to give us some good information. So if you have the September P&G inserts and you still have Tide coupons, you want to go ahead and use those up before they expire, because next month we only are going to get a 1-off 1 Tide Pods and a 1-off 1 for the Tide Liquid. And I know in September's P&G inserts we have 2-off 1. So those are definitely higher value coupons in this current month, September's P&G inserts. So definitely use those up. Now we are going to get a 2-off 1 for the Gain, but it doesn't tell me the sizes. We have 1-off 1 for the Downy and Bounce, 3-off 1 for the larger Downy and Bounce and the Defy beads, and then 3-off 1 for the Drift. Okay. All right, we've got 9 Elements coupons here, 2-off 1, 2-off 1, 1 off 1 for the dish soap, 1 off 1 for the multi-purpose cleaner. Here's a coupon I'm excited about. We have buy one, get one free on the microban sprays or the multi-purpose cleaners. Now these are pretty expensive. I believe the multi-purpose cleaners are $3.50 and then the microban sprays are like somewhere around $5. Now this is only up to $4 in value, so you can only get $4 taken off there. But I'm pretty sure that the multi-purpose cleaners are on sale too for $6. So that may be a really great deal. I may try to go out and use that one before this Saturday. Or maybe on Saturday, I don't know. We've got a birthday coming up, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get to go couponing this Saturday or not. Anyways, here's another deal that you can take advantage of. It is spend 50, get 15, or spend 20 and get 5, and you'll get a prepaid Visa card by mail. Now that is a spin deal, so it's after all coupons have been applied. I have tried to do this a couple of times in the past, but I always get confused because they want you to list every single product, like what you paid for it. I mean, it was very confusing to me. So maybe one day I'll figure it out, but a lot of you guys, y'all may have this down pat and have figured it out and know exactly what to do and how to do it. So this little deal is back if you want to save your receipts and work toward that. Here we have 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables Fabric Refresher. So these, I'm guessing, are about $4 at Dollar General because it does say, where did it say that? Try for as low as $1.99. So $2 plus $1.99, that's $4. So $2 off there, so that's half off. We have a buy one, get one free on the Febreze Small Spaces. So those are $3 each at Dollar General. Great coupon. We have a 1 off 1 for the Febreze products. We've got Cascade. We've got more Cascade and 1 off 1 for the Dawn Power Wash. I love this product. 2 off 1 for the Swiffer, and 50 cents off 1 for the Mr. Clean products. All right, so on the back here we have P&G Good Everyday Rewards. If you're not already signed up, I do have a referral link down in the description box below. You don't receive anything extra if you use it, like Fetch. I'm pretty sure that you don't. I could be wrong, but if you want to go and sign up, just click that link down in the description box. Sign up. It says you can take a survey and score a free 3-month subscription to MyFitnessPal, and P&G will make a donation to Hispanic Star on your behalf. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and do that. You don't have to download an app or anything to your phone. It's just a website that you can sign in. When you purchase P&G products, you can earn 50 points per product, up to 5 products per receipt. So you can earn up to 250 points per receipt. So like if you did a gain deal and you picked up a bunch of P&G products, you're going to get 250 points back, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. You can also use those points to make donations to different charities. You can use those points to enter into giveaways, all kinds of good stuff, and you can earn points by taking surveys and doing stuff like that as well. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and check that one out too. All right, guys, so now we're going to go over the rules for the giveaway, and then we're going to go over the clearance event really quickly. All right, guys, so if you want to enter to win these new October P&G inserts, here are the rules. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and please share the video. Because all of those little things really do add up, and they just take a couple of seconds, and it really makes a huge difference, and it helps my channel grow. Now, I know that sharing the video is not always everybody's favorite thing, especially when it comes to couponing and penny shopping and stuff like that. So even if you just have to share it to yourself, hit that share button for me and send it to yourself in a text message or an email. That will really help me out, and all of those little things, like I said, it makes a huge difference. All right, so since Halloween is right around the corner, here is the question that I would like for you to answer to enter to win this giveaway. Just let me know, what has been your favorite Halloween costume, whether it's something that you dressed up as when you were a little kid or as an adult, or if it's something that you have dressed your kids up now that you are an adult. And if you don't have a favorite Halloween costume, let me know what your favorite Halloween movie is. Alright guys, so now we're going to go over the new Dollar General clearance event. This is going to start tomorrow, September the 24th on Friday, and it's going to run through Sunday, September the 26th. Now, unfortunately, this is not going to be one of the big core clearance events that we all look forward to with coupon matchups and all of that good stuff. This one is going to be focused on seasonal items. So everything that you see listed on the screen here is already clearanced out at 50% off. So that means that you can go into the store right now, you're going to get them 50% off their regular price. But starting tomorrow on Friday, September the 24th, all of these items will be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Now, there is one exception with the lawn and garden products. Some stores still have those marked down at 25% off. So just make sure that you scan the items before you go up to the register. That way you know for sure that they are included in the clearance event, because there are some exclusions with the lawn and garden products. Alright, so this list is pretty self-explanatory. It is all seasonal items. We've been seeing sales after sale, week after week on these items. So I didn't feel like I needed to go out and get a bunch of visuals for you guys, except for the spring stationery. That was one that I was a little confused on, so I did look up the UPCs and try to get a visual for you all. So we have an additional 50% off starting on Friday for spring stationery, the lawn and garden, select lawn and garden, the green dot home items, swim and summer toys, those are the pink squares. Then we have yellow and white dot apparel, shoes, and accessories. Then we also have red dot home items. They are going to be 50% off of their regular price during this clearance event. So that means on Monday, they're probably going to go back up to full price. So like I said, everything on the list was pretty much self-explanatory. We've been seeing these sales week after week, except for the spring stationery. So this one I was a little bit confused on, so I did try to look up all of the UPCs and get some visuals, but unfortunately there are no visuals in the app of the specific items. But I put together a list here. Here's the UPC codes, and I did find one picture for the Papermate pins. So let's go down this list. If you want to type in the UPCs on your app, you're more than welcome to do that. These pins, these are all pins right here, and they are all right now currently 50 cents. So starting tomorrow on Friday, they're going to be 25 cents. So let's go down this list. So the first two pins that we have here are kind of July 4th items. So we have the Patriotic Icon pin 18 count and the Patriotic Bell pin 18 count. Again, y'all can type in those UPCs and look that up for yourself. They're going to be 25 cents starting on Friday. And then we have a bunch of Papermate Flare pins. It says that it was a 1 count. I could not find a picture of a 1 count Papermate Flare pin, so I did my best. We have a 2 count Papermate Flare pin pictured on the screen here, so hopefully that'll kind of give you an idea of what to look for as far as the packaging goes. But we have black, blue, purple, sky blue, green, and red inked Flare pins, okay? So hopefully that'll help y'all out, and like I said, these will all be just 25 cents starting tomorrow. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now, but just in case you missed it, I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video earlier today. Now, I do apologize, this is a little bit later in the week than I would like to get that video out. Usually I have it up by Wednesday at the latest, but this has just been kind of a crazy week for me. But nevertheless, we have some really great coupon matchups, and I came up with some instant savings deals. We have a lot of DG store coupons that match up with manufacturer coupons. We've got some spin deals, all kinds of good stuff, all kinds of glitches. So if you missed that video, go check it out. I'm going to leave that one linked down in the pinned comment down below. And before you go, don't forget to do all of the things to enter to win into the October PNG insert giveaway. So please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below and answer the giveaway question, and also please share the video. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.